Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk more about National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP. And this map here shows the regions where there are lots of NFIP policies. You can see the largest one is Florida, and then we have Texas, Louisiana, the eastern states of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and then we have California and New Jersey. These are the coastal states with the largest numbers of policies. Inland, there are areas probably along the Mississippi River that are covered by NFIP. And as we describe in this module, NFIP is a program that basically encourages bad behavior, because you continue to bail people out who buy or build in flood-prone regions. You continue to have people want to live in those places, because if you weren't going to bail them out, people would make smarter decisions. And it's a program that costs the government massive amounts of money and a great amount of debt. And this diagram shows the major shocks to NFIP. Katrina, 18 billion, Sandy, almost 10 billion, Harvey, about 9 billion. And this diagram also shows the premiums that are received in blue. And you can see that most years now, many years now, the losses paid are significantly outweigh the premiums here. There are a number of years where the premiums accumulate, so these areas where the blues are higher than the reds, but many years now, the losses paid are far greater. And so what's happening now is that you'll see in this diagram, the debt is rising. So this is the borrowing limit in black, which keeps getting raised by the federal government. So they raised it in 2004, they raised it again in 2012. And then this is the cumulative debt here. And you can see that the debt is rising now. It's over $20 billion in NFIP. So we can't continue like this. And this shows what would happen is if you just forgave all the debt, it would rise even more, obviously. So it's a program that Congress has continued to discuss, and will have to make changes moving forward at some stage or other. The problem, to be blunt, is that many Congress folks own property in coastal areas, and so or have friends or supporters who own properties along the coastal regions, and also developers have a large lobby in Congress. So it's going to be very difficult to change, but at some stage it will have to, especially as these large storms get to be more common.